Good morning students, welcome to Kalabharati Academy. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சிங்கிள் chiasm ஃபார்மேஷனில் என்ன recombination frequency வரும் 50% வருங்கிறத பார்த்தோம். Now we will see double crossover. So single crossover அடுத்து நம்ம double crossover போகிறோம். Here two stand double crossover. This one stand, two stand. Here is a cross and here is a cross. So two chiasma is formed. This is called double crossover. Okay, what are all the gametes we are getting? This chromatid goes as such A and B recessive, and this double cross you get capital A, small a and small b as such. In between alone is transferred. Here the loci of the genes not changed, and this chromatid remains as such plus and plus, and this chromatid also plus and plus alleles remain there itself in that same loci. In between portion is changed. So what is the recombination we are getting? Here everything is parental type. A B is here also A and B, here also A and B, in between alone is change. Here also plus and plus, here also plus and plus. So there is no recombination. Here everything is parental type. So recombination is 0. Out of 4, 0 is the recombination. So 0% is the recombination frequency. So double crossover, formation of two chiasmata and involves 2 or 3 or all 4 strands, that may happen. That we will see in the next discussion what is happening. Here if you see 3 strand, chromatid 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 chromatids, 1, 2 and 3. 3 chromatids are involved in the crossing over. Okay, 3 strands. Now if you see chromatid 1 recessive A and B, here crossing over leads to recessive A and plus, this is dominant, and second A and B is remains as such, in between portion alone is changed. This allele loci does not change. And third plus and plus, here 1 plus remains, another becomes this B comes here, recessive B. So this allele loci is changed, and the final one which is not involved in the crossing over, it remains as such. So what we are getting? Parental type. This is parental type. Okay, and this is A and B parental type. So these two are parental type, this one and this one. This is a changed one, this is a changed one, this is recombinant. So 2 is parental type, 2 is recombinant. So out of these 4, 2 is recombinant. So here is also we are getting 50% recombinant frequency. In multiple crossovers, when crossovers are happening in multiple places, formation of more than 2 chiasmata and crossing over, frequency becomes low. Okay, that part we will see. If you say 4 stand double crossover, stand 1, stand 2, stand 3, stand 4, 4 stands, goes into all 4 stands are involved in the crossing over, and the first stand A and B, it becomes A and plus. The second stand A and B becomes A and plus. Third stand plus becomes plus and B. Fourth stand plus becomes plus and B. So here you see no, all alleles are changed. So here recombination, all the 4 are recombinants. All the 4s are recombinant. Parental type A and B plus is not seen here. So out of these 4, all the 4 are recombinant. So 100% is the recombinant frequency in case of 4 stand double crossing over. 4 stand double crossing over. So thank you students, we will meet again in the next discussion. Thank you.